the students and the parents association, and they could help with extra resources, but the people here are poor, so they can't help. So we have only the resources from the
government.
Yes.
But what does she do with kids that
Ok,
are...
ele quer saber quando o aluno é muito indisciplinado, a família não ajuda, como...
Muito difícil a família ajudar, né? Olha, é assim, eles me acham muito severa. Então eu sou mesmo, né? Você conhece já, né, Marta?
Já.
Então eu acho que assim, eles têm um pouco de respeito. Às vezes que fazem bagunça, só de falar, vou chamar daquele e já maneira. Eu acredito que a
She
escola...
said that the family didn't help a lot, and she uses to talk a lot to them to make they change their behavior.
But the kids that keep doing the same thing over and over and over, can they get rid of the kids eventually? They throw them out of the school? The ones that want to cause trouble constantly?
Well, this year I think it's been a good year because we don't have classes without teachers. Because I said we don't have the geography teacher, but I get in some classes there and I stay with the kids.
My question is, you say you don't have a geography teacher. Why not? They can't find?
Because they don't find.
There's not enough teachers around?
No, geography no. A lot of schools have this problem.
Just geography?
Yes, because people that studied geography, they can work in other areas.
Oh.
So they are going to have a better salary, better work conditions.
What is special education? Kids with disabilities. Where do they go to school?
No, we have some here and we try to help them the way we can, but not a lot in the classes. In a class with 35 students, we can have 2 or 3 with some problems.
Do they have schools that are just for special?
No. Here we call something like inclusão. We have to include the kid in the regular school.
Do sometimes they get pulled out for extra help or no?
Yes, but not from the government. Sometimes they look for help in the universities. For example, in the psychology course, they can help.
Right. I'm gonna ask her something. How many days do the students go to school here?
5 days from
per
Monday.
year.
São os 200 dias letivos, não é? 200 days.
200 days per year.
Yes.
And then what about the teachers?
We work more, of course.
Do the teachers have to work more than the kids?
Yes, because we have the reunions courses. For example, this year we started 2 weeks before the children because we are studying about this new project. Não, um projeto que é novo, né? Porque a gente não conhecia.
So the teachers is 210 or 220?
More, almost a month. Acho que a gente trabalha uns 30 dias a mais do que os alunos, uns 20, 30 a mais. Yes.
But it's about
a month more.
220 days a year.
Or more.
Or more.
Or more.
But for sure it's 200 for the students.
Yes, this is a lot.
Yeah. And that's for all schools?
Yes.
Okay, well that's a month more than in the United States.
Yes, because we have only 2 months of vacation.
Right.
Usually July and something about December and January. This year, because of the World Cup, the vacation will be different, from June to July. E eu estou de
These are all the high school students.
Yes, first year.
First year, how old are these students here?
15, a maioria tem 15 aqui, já fizeram 15.
14.
14 to 15.
Really?
Yes.
Every student here, 15 years old. What grade would this be? Grade 7 or 8?
This is now the grade is first from high school.
First in high school, 15
Yes.
years old?
Yes.
And so this is a physics class, but the kids get physics, biology, and chemistry 2 each week.
Yes, 2 classes a week.
And they get this for 3 years?
Yes, they started this year and they are going to have for more 3 years.
Wow, okay.